Okay, I'm showing you the beach waver we just purchased, and you can see when you turn it, it kind of has this V shape to it, and the lower part presses into the upper, creating these beach-like waves, and it is powered on from the inside, and once you push on it, you can see the temperature will turn on, and you have the ability to get it all the way up to 400. We're going to go ahead and demo the bangs being curled. And the machine heats up really quickly. We probably didn't even have it turn on for more than 30-60 seconds. You can see the waves and all that's cool.